What's going on, YouTube? We are back again with algorithm number 15, and we have a very simple one for today. It's called arrayMaximalAdjacentDifference. Now, given an array of integers, find the maximal absolute difference between any two of its adjacent elements. For our sample, it is 2, 4, 1, and 0, the array, and now we have to find the difference of 2, 4, 4, 1, and then 1, 0. And what we should return out of that is 3. Basically 4 and 1, the difference is 3, so that's the biggest integer that we found. And we do get a hint, which is math.abs. Now math.abs returns the absolute value of a number, that is, and we get a pretty good example here. 3 and 5, it's going to return 2, so that's the difference, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So let's start by setting an array, call it max difference, and we'll set that to an empty array, and then we'll need to loop. So for let, just say I equals 0, and then I is less than input array length, and then we're moving up by 1. Okay, so we are going to be doing, basically we're going to be getting the difference of the current iteration and the iteration in front of that. And to do that, and so we'll need to get that difference, and we'll need to put it into this array. Alright, so we'll start with, outside of that, we can, just to make it a little bit cleaner, we will call this get difference, and this is going to be a function that's going to take in two arguments, and we can call that A and B. Alright, and actually you don't have to write it that way either. We can just return math.abs, and what we'll do is put A minus B. Okay. And now to make it even cleaner, we can just say let difference. And the only reason why, writing all these extra lines is I want to make it as clean. I'm really practicing on writing clean and readable code. Now we can call the function here, so we'll pass in input array at the current iteration, and the second argument is going to be input array at the current iteration, what's in front of the current iteration, and that will be safe inside of difference. And now what we can do is max difference dot push, right? And we can push difference into that. Now we need to return max difference, okay? But before that, we need it says maximal absolute difference, so we need the obviously largest integer found in that array. So what we'll do is set max difference, reassign that to I believe that's math max, so that'll find the biggest number, and we'll use the spread operator to spread the max difference. And okay, let's run Quokka, and we should see the number 3. Oh, we got not a number. Now we have to quickly debug this. Come on, trying to get this to go away. Here we go. Max difference, push difference. Where did I go wrong here? Let me see. I'm gonna console log the let's console log max difference Yeah, it's 2, 3, 1, and not a number. And we don't want to return not a number, so I think if we go like that, basically. So what this is going to do, it's basically going to be looking out for the last index position in the array, which is number 2. And that should return 3. So let's get rid of that, and let's try a different number. So let's try 10. That should obviously change. Let's just try 0. Let's see if that changes. Alright, and that's how you solve for array maximal adjacent difference. Anyways, thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for the next algorithm. Bye bye.